Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can fix the Steam failed to load Steamui.dll. It's like pretty simple to solve this. So you need to do two things. You need to go to your folder on Steam and then just delete the package and bin folder. Package and bin. So you need to first, let's go like this. Exit Steam. Okay, and now I'll just open Steam and it's going to update and it's going to delete all the things which are wrong in Steam, and then it should be fine. So this is the one way how we can solve the problem. It's updating. Then it will also ask me for some informations here. Let's just wait. Okay. And here we got it. So this is how we can solve the problem. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.